today we went to a Cork food market and they were showing us how to make pita bread recipes. And today we're going to be making pita bread pizza. What you will need: tomato sauce, a little bit of pesta, mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, peppers, ham and tomatoes, but you can always use different toppings. And obviously you need pita bread. First of all, you will need to cut your pita bread, so you're going to cut it around like this. When you're done cutting up the pita bread in half, you're going to start putting all your ingredients on top. You're going to get your spatula and you're going to get some tomato sauce and put it on your pita bread. So when you're done putting your tomato sauce on, you can start putting your toppings on. I'm going to get my mushrooms and start putting some on. Some peppers. Some ham. And a tomato. So when you're done putting all your toppings on, you're going to get your cheese and you're going to sprinkle it on top of them. It doesn't matter how much, but I'm going to put this much on. When you're done with everything, you're going to put your pizza into the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we repeat the exact same thing, but we're going to use pesta this time. And we're only going to make 2. Okay guys, now we're nearly done the pesto one. Now we just need to put the cheese on. You can put as much cheese as you want on. We're going to put this much. Okay. You guys, this looks so delicious. I'm so excited. Okay guys, it's nearly done and I'm really excited to try it. I've never tried it. Okay guys, it's finally done. I'm so excited to try it. If you had fun today, and if you like my easy peasy recipe, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!